Welcome back, friends, with no to limited IT experience, point and click community. Before we get started, I just want to mention real quick, I'm not gonna sell you t-shirt or other useless stuff here. The only way to support my channel is to watch my videos, subscribe, and share them. I have here my friend Danny's computer, and he forgot his password. He also wants to remove the password from his wife Wilma and his son, what is his name, Barney. So I don't know if this is a good idea to do that, but I say why not? Let's get started with that. First I gotta switch over to my PC and download some files so I can make a bootable flash drive. The files we download are free to download. A link will be in the description below. First we download Rufus. If you watched some of my other videos, you probably know already Rufus, and you know that we use this program to make bootable flash drives. It's perfect, it's easy, everybody can do it. Next, we need an ISO file of an operating system we can run from this flash drive. So here we select one, and the link is in the description below. This one is one of the best ones I found because it has so many tools in there. So if you have to troubleshoot your system at any time, it's loaded with tools. So let's get this one, and I don't even try to pronounce the name because I mispronounce it all the time. Now it's time to plug our flash drive in. Now let's go to our downloads folder and start Rufus. All I have to do now is select the image we downloaded before. I leave everything by default. Just hang in there, it can take up to 10 minutes. Now we can remove the drive and move it over to Danny's computer. Now this machine we want to shut down and boot it into the firmware. You might have to hit the escape F1, F2 or F12 key. It depends on your hardware. You want to look that up, how to get into your computer's firmware. Now we are at the firmware and we select our USB device. So the operating system loaded from our flash drive. Let's change the passwords, and it's real easy. I start typing NT, and you get the NT password added. Make sure the path is right to your local drive and click open. Now here we have all the users. So Danny wants his password changed. So I select Danny, change password, and I type a new password in it. And I click OK. And he said, Wilma forgets her password all the time, so I'm gonna go and reset her password. And to do this is just leave the fields empty and click OK. Now she won't have a password on her account anymore. Now we save the changes and exit this program. and reboot the machine. And remove the flash drive. Okay, let's see if Danny's new password works. And yes, it works. So I have access to his account. Now, one thing I want to tell you, don't do this on a computer where you have not the permission to do that, or on any user account where you don't have the permission to do that. It is at least an invasion of privacy, if not even something worse. So don't do it. We are signing out now and we log in as Wilma. We reset or basically removed her password. And all I have here is sign in. I click on sign in and it probably lets me into her account. Now when I look at her account, I look at her documents and I can see her documents. And they're opening. Please don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. And hit that notification and even that like button. Just pretend you liked this video. Thank you so much for that, and you all have a great week.